Welcome back to the channel, fellow coin collectors and curious viewers. If you're passionate about rare and historical coins from around the world, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into a small but beautiful coin that you might already have in your collection, the 1984 10. Rappen coin from Switzerland. At first glance, it might look like just another pocket change coin, but behind that tiny silver-colored surface lies a world of history, artistry, and hidden value. So stay with us as we explore the full story, design details, and actual market price of this coin in 2024, all in U.S. dollars. Section 1. The Swiss monetary system. Tone. Informative and historical. To truly understand the value of this coin, let's begin with a quick look at the Swiss monetary system. Switzerland, officially known as the Swiss Confederation or Confederatio Helvetica in Latin, has maintained a unique and stable currency system for centuries. The country's official currency is the Swiss franc, and the franc is subdivided into 100 smaller units, called Rappen. The 10 Rappen coin, which we're focusing on today, represents 1/10 of a franc. While this might seem like a very small denomination today, the Rappen has had strong purchasing power in the past, especially in a country as economically balanced as Switzerland. Section 2. Design analysis. Tone. Descriptive and immersive. Let's take a close look at the design of the 1984 10 Rappen coin, because Swiss coins are admired worldwide for their artistry and consistency. On the obverse side, we see a beautifully detailed portrait of Liberty, also referred to as Helvetia. This symbolic figure represents the national personification of Switzerland. Her gaze is strong and noble, and she wears a diadem, symbolizing wisdom and sovereignty. Surrounding her image is the inscription Confederatio Helvetica, which, once again, is Latin for Swiss Confederation. The use of Latin reflects Switzerland's neutrality and the need for unity across its 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Flipping to the reverse side, the design becomes even more iconic. The number 10 is placed boldly in the center, surrounded by a wreath of oak leaves. Oak leaves have long been a symbol of strength, stability, and endurance, qualities the Swiss nation prides itself on. Below the wreath, you'll find the year of minting, 1984. This combination of classical imagery and timeless design makes the 10 Rappen coin one of the most consistent and respected minor coins in the world. Section 3. Specifications and metal composition. Tone. Technical and educational. Now, let's break down the technical specifications of the 1984 10 Rappen coin. Diameter, 19. 15 millimeters. Weight, approximately 3.0 grams. Edge, reeded material, copper-nickel alloy. The use of copper-nickel ensures that the coin is corrosion-resistant and durable, important for a coin that would circulate heavily. It also gives the coin a sleek silver appearance, without the use of actual precious metals, making it both affordable to produce and beautiful to behold. Section 4. Minting and circulation. Tone. Factual and clear. In 1984, the Swiss Mint produced tens of millions of these 10 Rappen coins. While we don't have the exact mintage figure, it's safe to say that this was not a low mintage year. That said, many of the coins from that era have either been melted down, lost, or worn down in circulation. Coins that have survived in better than average condition, especially uncirculated or mint state examples, are becoming more desirable among collectors who aim to complete full year sets or who appreciate the detailed design elements that often fade with use. Section 5. Value in today's market. Tone. Current and collector focused. So let's talk money. How much is this coin worth right now in 2024? If your 1984 10 Rappen coin is in circulated condition, which means it shows somewhere and has been used in daily transactions, it's generally worth $0, 10 to 25 cents USD. This is close to its face value in Swiss francs. If your coin is in very fine VF or extremely fine XF condition, where the designs and inscriptions are still sharp and clean, it might be worth $0, 50 to $1 USD, than an uncirculated UNC or mint state MS 60 to MS 65 condition, where the coin still has its full mint luster, no signs of wear. And excellent eye appeal, you could see prices range from $1.50 to $3, especially from dealers or on online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy. A proof version, if one exists from a set, could be worth up to $5 to $7, depending on quality and packaging. And let's not forget any error coins, such as double strikes, die cracks, or off-center strikes, are considered rare and can bring in significantly higher prices, often $10 or more, depending on the severity and uniqueness of the error. Section 6. Collector demand and interest, tone, inspiring and encouraging. Why would anyone want to collect a coin that seems so common? Well, this is where numismatics becomes truly fascinating. Many collectors are building complete Swiss coin year sets, and finding a 1984 in mint condition helps them fill an important gap. Also, for beginners, 10 Rappen coins are a great entry point that they're affordable, beautifully made, and steeped in European history. Moreover, Swiss coins are known for long-term consistency. The designs of coins like the 10 Rappen haven't changed drastically in over a century, which makes it incredibly satisfying for collectors who appreciate uniformity and tradition in their sets. Section 7. How to sell or showcase, tone, helpful and practical. If you believe your 1984 10 Rappen coin is in exceptional condition, you can have it graded by a professional service such as NGC or PCGS. A certified mint state grade can help your coin stand out and attract higher offers. Alternatively, if you're looking to sell, you can list your coin on eBay for global reach. Numismatic Facebook groups, where hobbyists often pay fair prices, local coin shows or dealers, especially in areas with European coin collectors. And if you're not looking to sell, consider placing your coin in a protective sleeve or capsule and labeling it clearly. It's a beautiful piece of history, and it deserves to be showcased proudly. Conclusion. Tone, thoughtful and enthusiastic. So what have we learned? The 1984 10 Rappen coin might be small, but it's a shining example of Swiss precision, artistry, and historical continuity. While its monetary value today ranges from a few cents to a few dollars, depending on condition, its real worth lies in its symbolism, its story, and its place in the broader world of international coin collecting. Next up, the 2009 Swiss 10 Rappen coin, that just a fraction of a franc. You might think it's not worth much, but if you're a collector or someone who appreciates world currencies, you'll find that this coin has more to offer than meets the eye, from its classic Swiss design to its current value in the collector's market in 2024, measured in US dollars. This video covers it all. So grab your magnifying glass, and let's dive deep into the 2009 10 Rappen coin from Switzerland. Section 1. Introducing the coin, educational tone. The 10 Rappen coin is a small denomination of the Swiss franc, the official currency of Switzerland. Rappen are essentially Swiss cents. 100 of them make up 1 franc. And while the 10 Rappen might be seen as a small value coin, it carries with it a great deal of national pride, artistry, and tradition. The 2009 issue of the 10 Rappen coin is part of a long-standing coinage series that hasn't seen major design changes for over a century. That kind of consistency is rare in global coinage and makes Swiss coins particularly appealing to collectors. The coin itself is part of everyday Swiss commerce, but it's also part of a much bigger story about durability, precision, and timeless design. Section 2. Design details, descriptive visual tone. Let's take a closer look at the design of this coin. On the obverse side, you'll see the Portrait of Liberty, known in Switzerland as Helvetia. She's depicted wearing a laurel wreath and facing to the right, surrounded by the inscription Confederatio Helvetica, which means Swiss Confederation in Latin. Latin is used to represent the country neutrally, uniting its 4 national languages, German, French, Italian, and Romansh. On the reverse side, the design remains as elegant as ever. A bold 10 is placed at the center, representing 10 Rappen. Encircling the number is a wreath of oak leaves, a timeless symbol of strength and stability. Below that, you'll find the year of minting, 2009, to Section 3, Metal Composition Specs, Technical Tone. Now, let's get into the physical characteristics of the 2009-10 Rappen coin. Composition: copper-nickel alloy weight, around 3.0 grams diameter, 19.15 millimeters. Edge, reeded like a dime, shape. Round the copper-nickel mix gives the coin a silvery shine, but also ensures that it's tough, corrosion-resistant, and built to last in circulation. Swiss coins are known for their high minting standards, and this one is no exception. Section 4. Mintage circulation, informative tone. While Switzerland doesn't publish detailed yearly mintage numbers as publicly as some countries, the 10 Rappen coin has continued to be produced in large quantities over the years. The 2009 coin is not considered rare in terms of mintage, but what matters most to collectors is condition, and in some cases, errors or proof versions. Section 5. Market value in 2024, collectors focus tone. So, what's the actual market value of the 2009-10 Rappen coin in 2024, especially when converted into US dollars? Here's the breakdown based on condition. Circulated condition, common wear, used in daily life. These typically sell for about $0, 10 to 0 US dollars and 20 cents, close to their equivalent face value. Very fine VF to extremely fine XF coins with minor wear and still sharp details might go for $0, 30 to $0, 50 US dollars in collector markets. Uncirculated UNC or mint state. If the coin has never been used and retains full mint luster, it could fetch between $1 and $2. 50 US dollars, depending on how well preserved it is. Proof or special mint sets. While regular 10 Rappen coins were produced for circulation, if you have a proof coin from a mint set in 2009, its value could range from $3 to $5 US dollars or more, depending on demand and condition. Error coins. As with any coin, errors like off-center strikes, double dies, or clipped planchets are rare, but if you do find a genuine 2009-10 Rappen error coin, it could be worth $10, $20, or even higher, depending on the nature of the mistake and its uniqueness. Section 6. Why collect this coin? Enthusiastic community-focused tone. You might be asking, why should I collect this coin if it's not rare? Well, here's the answer. The 2009 Swiss 10 Rappen coin represents a continuation of a tradition that dates back to the 19th century. Collecting Swiss coins is about more than just rarity. It's about consistency, design, precision, and cultural identity. For anyone trying to complete a Swiss year set, the 2009 coin is a must-have. It also makes for a great educational piece, especially for kids and new collectors who are just learning about international currencies. Section 7. Where to buy, sell, or grade. Helpful tone. If you're thinking about selling your 2009-10 Rappen coin, you can try eBay, ideal for reaching international collectors. Numismatic forums or Facebook groups, more niche and hobby-focused audiences. Local coin shops or coin shows, perfect if you want a quick sale or in-person valuation. If your coin is in exceptional condition, consider sending it to a grading service like NGC or PCGS to get it certified, which often boosts its value and buyer trust. The conclusion, friendly and upbeat tone. To wrap it all up, the 2009-10 Rappen coin from Switzerland is a modest but meaningful piece of numismatic history. Its value may not be in the hundreds or thousands, but it offers collectors a tangible connection to Swiss craftsmanship and tradition. Whether you have it tucked away in a jar or displayed in your coin album, this little coin is a keeper. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth guides on coins from Switzerland, Europe, or anywhere around the world, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Got a Swiss coin you want us to feature next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting, and may your next coin find be a rare one.